We just have to work. Yun lang. We're doing our best every game, and we're happy kasi everybody can play well whenever we need them. Para rin hindi sila ma-pressured into I have to be at the games all the time. And also, we cannot focus so much on individual skills. We have to work together talaga. So it doesn't matter who goes in as long as we play together, then that's what's more important. It doesn't matter who's inside. The point is we have to play all together all the time. So I'm happy and lucky to have these girls with me who are very capable and very supportive of each other. And, hopefully we get to improve every game. Yun po.
Thank you so much. Sam, 6 of 13 attacks, 7 excellent receptions in your comeback game. So,
ba?
Hindi naman.
so ano yung masasabi mo na yun nga, yung tinawag ka para ipasok sa court ni Coach Reg, ano yung unang naramdaman mo? And ano yung i-rate mo sa sarili mo right now? Anong rating mo sa sarili mo right now?
As of now po, sa laro ko ngayon, grateful pa din naman po ako dahil nakabalik po ako and nakatulong din po ako sa team ngayong game. And yung game ko ngayon, parang hindi pa po yun ulit. Pero, again, babalik po ulit kaming training, magti-training po ulit. Doon po ulit namin kukunin yung kumpiyansa po ulit namin para po sa next game po namin.
Thank you, Sam. To Ara, 8 attack. Sorry. Bench, correction. Sorry naman. 14 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 service ace, 7 digs, and 2 excellent receptions. So, paano mo ginaguide syempre si Sam? Especially, ito, malabo na tayo, papagitna na tayo ng person. Paano yung guidance mo sa kanya?
For Sam naman kasi, kilala naman siya ng lahat kung gaano talaga siya katapang since high school days niya pa talaga. So, lagi ko lang talaga sinasabi din sa kanya is ilaban niya. Kasi sa amin lahat, kailangan lang talaga namin pusuan lahat ng games namin eh. And happy din ako kasi nakikinig din talaga siya sa amin, sa seniors.
Thanks. And last to Shaira. 11 digs and 5 excellent receptions. So, you're the number 1 sa liga sa receiving. So, paano mo ginagawa para masustain mo yung ganitong high level ng performance mo, Shaira? What can you say?
Sa akin naman po, gusto ko lang na, lagi ko lang inaano sa sarili ko kung paano ako makakontribute sa team. And sa training, syempre, pinaghihirapan ko palagi sa training. Doon ko lagi kung paano ko siya makuha na kapag sa game, kung paano siya magagawa. Ayun.
Thanks. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Na-mention mo kanina, it's Women's Day ngayon. And as one of the few head coaches lang na babae sa women's volleyball sa Pilipinas, siguro, how do you take that responsibility, coach, na kumbaga, apart from yourself and you also represent, women in volleyball, especially in coaching positions?
It's not easy to be a woman in this country. It's harder to be in a male-dominated industry. But I was put here by God because I have a purpose here. So as much as I can, I'm here to share whatever I know, whatever I learn along the way, and hopefully we get to inspire not just women but everybody who understands and who can accept that women can be one of the best in everywhere. So we're just happy to be here in this platform, in this arena, and to represent a lot of women, and hopefully more women can be up here with me and with all of us, and hopefully we get to inspire more women, children, and everyone of all colors, of all gender. We can all do it as long as we do our best. Yun lang. Thank you.
For Shaira and Vanch, obviously galing kayo ng finals MVP performance nyo last year. Siguro, after 6 games ngayong first round, would you say na medyo nakikita nyo na rin yung championship mentality ng team? Alam naman natin may mga nawala sa team nyo, but right now, yun nga, parang nafe-feel nyo ba na kumbaga pareho lang pa rin yung hunger ng team last year tsaka ngayon after those 6 games?
Sa team kasi namin, syempre, dapat di talaga mawala yung grit since rebuilding talaga kami. Pero aside naman doon is kilala ko yung mga teammates ko kung gaano namin kagusto manalo. Hindi lang sa championship, kumbaga from the start talaga kasi doon naman magsisimula lahat eh. So I think ilaban lang talaga namin yung ilaban and especially pagkatiwalaan yung mga sarili namin.
Nasabi mo na lahat eh. Ay, ano pa sasabihin ko? And sa akin naman po, andun pa din yung champion mentality namin. Kasi every game, pinaghihirapan talaga namin. And ayun, sa susunod namin na game, kailangan talaga namin paghirapan pa.
For some, gano'n lang kalaking bagay na nakabalik ka rin, tapos gano'n kalaking bagay ito sa kumpiyansa mo, lalo na Lasal yung next game niyo?
Sobrang malaki pong bagay siya sa akin. Lalo na po, yung nakaraan din po naming game, which is yung FEU na nabantayan po ako, and yung UP na chance ko na po makabawi, which is may plano sa akin si Lord. And then, pagbalik po sa training, nung nakakatalo na po ako, pinapatry po sa akin ng mga coaches na need ko mag-try ng new na variation. So, malaking bagay itong game po na to. Nakakuha po ulit ako ng kumpiyansa na madadala ko po siya sa next game po namin, which is yung sa Lasal po. Yun.
Coach, against Lasal, against your former college mentor, si Coach RDJ, your thoughts about your first meeting with your former college mentor and how you gonna approach it, especially nga rematch ng finals from last year?
It's an honor to share the court with him. Hopefully, he's proud of me that we're here. We just have to work together. Sa totoo lang. We have a lot of things to work on. Okay, so sila kasi kukunti lang yung changes. Sa amin kasi we have to change a lot of people, new people, and we have to learn to know each other. So it's a little bit different than them. So Lasal is Lasal, but NU is also NU. We still have that championship mentality. Hopefully, mailabas namin siya sa game. Yun lang. Kasi trabaho lang talaga kami. And hopefully, we get more wins along the way. And we do our best. Not just with Lasal, but with all our games. Yun lang po.
And to our finals MVPs from last year, facing Lasal for the first time, your thoughts about playing against Lasal? Siyempre, this time around, wala na yung mga ates nyo. What can you say? Shaira first, you wanna...
Sa akin naman po, siguro hindi siya magiging madali. Pero lalaban at lalaban kami sa Lasal. Yun lang.
Balik lang ulit kami sa ensayo kasi yun nga, sabi nga ni Coach Reg, is Lasal, NU is NU. So kung sino yung talagang gustong manalo, yun yung mananalo. And ayun, paghihirapan lang din muna namin yan sa ensayo.
And lastly to Sam, NU Lasal, first time mo makakalaban sa college yung one of the most successful programs ng UAAP. What can you say?
Yun nga po, sabi po nung mga ates, ilalaban po talaga namin. Ilalaban talaga namin.
Okay.
Sa akin po, first time ko po silang makakalaban. Ang gagawin ko lang po is yung best ko. Kung ano pa yung contribute ko po sa team. Yan lang po.
Well said. Congratulations, Coach Reg, Van, Shaira, and Sam. Stay healthy and enjoy this win.